Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is being sponsored by TubeBuddy. So one of the things as a small channel, especially under 1,000 subscribers, is you don't really know where to start with this. You've got yourself a camera, you've got yourself some editing software and a computer, and you're trying to put it all together. You make a video and you post it to YouTube and nothing happens. You get very minimal views, you don't get that many subscribers, and you're starting to doubt yourself of, well, what did I do wrong? Well, you could spend countless hours researching everything under the sun, looking for other YouTube videos about what you're supposed to do, and then you can get confused. Or there is a program out there called TubeBuddy. It is free. It's very limited on what is used on the free version, but it can help get you started. So one of the things when you have your channel, you have your YouTube analytics here, where it can show you your videos over the last daily chart or the last 28 days. So if you want to dive into it more, my favorite feature that I find intriguing is the Channelytics here. When you add TubeBuddy into your YouTube channel, you'll see a TubeBuddy icon here, and they'll pop up all over the place for even when you need to do thumbnails and keywords. What I find interesting, being data driven, is I can see my total lifetime is 1.3 thousand views over my 9 videos that I have. And over the last 30 days, I've had 787 views for the only 3 videos that I have so far this month. I should say the last 30 days. I can notice here on the right, I can see one of my videos dropped, and I can see that my views have gained traction. So it's consistency, even this one right here. Now, granted, this video that I posted around this time frame has done obviously well than I think. So I like the Channelytics because I can also search other people's channels. So for instance, let's search Her Two Wheels. It's one of the fastest growing motovlog channels out there. If you look over to the right on the Search Explorer, she's 93%. The competition, she's green. Search volume, she's in the middle. Click on her channel and give it a few minutes to populate, and you can see her statistics. If you look, she's got 160 videos and almost 8.4 million views over the lifetime of her channel. In the last 30 days, she has roughly almost 1 million views for only 4 videos. You can also look at her subscribers base. So you can see that she's gained almost 500 subscribers between the beginning of April, and you can see it's starting to go down a little bit. If you look at yourself, you can see I gained 59 in the time that she got almost 7,500 subscribers. Granted, her channel is a little larger and it's more well known than mine. If you want to compare that, you can also do somebody more close to your level. So somebody I follow is Setzer Pendants. So Setzer Pendants' channel. Right. So he has come up overall. He's good standing, 44 out of 100. Not a lot of search volume. Competition, he's actually higher than me, than Her Two Wheels. Actually, she was more down to this level of green. He's actually all the way over. Looking at his statistics, like I said, give it a minute. He only has 37 videos, about 10,000 views for his lifetime. 8 videos in the last 30 days and 2.5 views. But one thing I noticed between the two of Setzer Pendants and Her Two Wheels is all the keywords that they've used in their videos. Now, keywords are like, well, what's a keyword? When you type something into Google, it doesn't search for the whole phrase. It takes keywords and does a comparison. So when you type out a whole sentence, like you asked Google a question, it's only going to pick up like what's 3 times 3. It's only going to do 3 times 3. It's not going to. It doesn't care about the words. So for the keywords, you can see like on he's got like Texas bikers, San Antonio bikers. So if somebody was to just sit in YouTube and be like, oh man, I'm bored, let me just Google motorcycle trips. Because he uses that keyword, he's able to show more in the search results. And I can give you a perfect example where it impacts my channel. So if I go over here to the left to my videos, when I used the 7-day free trial of the pro version of TubeBuddy, I edited one video. And the one I did was my Shoei Neotech 2 GoPro helmet. And I had a horrible title. I wasn't getting that much traction, but if you look at it, it's my highest viewed video that I have so far out of 9 at 565 views. If you look at the videos that I've done prior to that, I've only had 40 views on the Mac Mini. I've only had 89 views on my Iron 1200 video, my first video I posted. My 1K service video, I only have 90. The other video I tweaked with TubeBuddy's Pro license was why I started a YouTube channel. And that one's still doing pretty well at 191. That's my second highest video. The other video that I have done very well at is the Iron 1200 Sissy Bar install. And that one I used the free version of TubeBuddy when my trial ran out, but I picked up on how to use keywords. So in this instance, if we go into my video, in this, the description matters. So if you look down here, I have part numbers listed for everything. I also have tags, Sissy Bar, luggage rack, docking hardware, etc., and the parts numbers. If I was to go into YouTube right now, so let's do that. Let me just type in YouTube here. And let's just go down. Let's do this real quick. If I was to type in, let's type in the GoPro one. GoPro, no wait, it would be Shoei Neotech 2 GoPro install. My video is the first video that shows up. It used to be at the bottom of the list before I started using TubeBuddy. If you notice, my video only has 552 views and it's only been up there for 2 months. If you look below me, I have somebody with almost 2,000 views 5 months ago, but my video is before his. Scrolling down the list where my video used to be, you have somebody with a year ago with almost 7,500 views. You have somebody with 27,000 views and 2 years ago, and my video is on top thanks to TubeBuddy. I think using TubeBuddy when you're starting out a channel is totally worth it. I think that the investment that you're going to get is going to be worth it because you're going to save so much time not thinking about what I'm supposed to put within your descriptions because TubeBuddy is going to help you, and I'll show you how over here. So let's go to one of my videos that's underperforming right now. So I put this video up on Monday, the one where I procrastinated, and let's click on the details. If I was to click on this TubeBuddy icon over here, and let's bring up the keyword explorer, and I put in the one where I procrastinated. And this will tell you, overall, my title's horrible. Nobody's searching for it. You can see it's poor. Competition is green, unweighted. Interest over to 30 days is horrible. If you look at the results, if somebody was to actually type in the one where I procrastinated, they might hit it. It also tells you the top ranking titles in the search, exact matches, etc. So if I was to tweak this, because I was at the P.O. Box, if I was just to type in P.O. Box, let's go with unboxing, just to see what my score would be. It would still be worse off than I am right now, but let's look at the results of the weighted. Same thing. But if you see here, this lady here has huge P.O. Box Hall small business. Personally, none of these titles really fit with what I'm going with, but you can see why titles matter, and TubeBuddy can help you with that. Also, if you go to the map, unfortunately I don't have enough data for this, but we can go through all this and you can see even with the tags like Dream P.O. Box, all this stuff matters for your search results. I have one subscriber and he follows me on Instagram. We mentioned back and forth. He's like, I haven't been able to get a lot of subscribers. You know, nobody seems to be watching my content. Sharkboy22, he had a video that I was actually really interested in. It was this video he posted 4 weeks ago with only 15 views. I can tell you just by using TubeBuddy for the last 2 months, the free version, I can tell you already what's wrong, but I think if he was to even use the free one, he might get more views than this. Then my mechanic workshop stool, is it worth the price? The only thing in this description right now is the product, which takes you to Amazon. I think if he was to change it to this with the actual name, he'd get a lot more views than 15, because I'm pretty sure everybody that's been on Instagram or Facebook that has a Harley has seen this pop up. Just using that as an example for the shop stool, it brings up so many more results, but he's way down here. I think he needs to adjust this and make more of a description, and he would show up higher up in the reviews. So my personal opinion is TubeBuddy worth it? Absolutely. Can you get by with the free version in the beginning? You can, but the Pro does give you a lot more features than the free version, obviously. So the choice is yours. I'm going to leave a link down in the description. If you click that link, it'll take you to TubeBuddy, and it'll get you started with your free trial. All right. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time.